सारिका स्टडी अकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 3 का EVS चैप्टर नंबर 11 आवर व्हीकल्स, इसके सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। तो फर्स्ट पेज नंबर 84, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव ऑप्शंस फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो each questions and write its index letter in the box provided against each question. First point है, in which of the following vehicles can more than 1000 people travels at the same time? The answer is B, train. Second, which vehicles has 3 wheels? The answer is C, auto rickshaw. Third, which vehicles is used for air travel? The answer is D, aeroplane. Fourth, which animals are used in mountainous ranges to travels from one place to another? The answer is A, horse. Fifth, which two-wheeler vehicles do children use to go to school? The answer is B, bicycle. 6. Which vehicles is useful for farming? The answer is C, tractor. Which vehicles is used for taking sick people to hospital? The answer is C, an ambulance. Question 2, filling the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate words. First point, when there is a fire, we call the fire brigade for help. Second point, the animal useful in farming is bullock. Third, the animal useful for traveling in a desert is camel. The answer is camel. Fourth, to help us cross the river, sailor used to use a boat. The answer is boat. Fifth, a postal van. The answer is postal van is useful for fetching and carrying letters. etc. is useful. Carrying letters from one place to another. For selling vegetable and other similar things, a dash is useful. The answer is hand cart. H-A-N-D hand, C-A-R-T cart. Next 7. For carrying harvesting grain to his home, a farmer would two-wheeled vehicle named bullock cart. The answer is bullock cart. Third question, true false. First, a horse cart has 4 wheels. The answer is false. The answer is false. Next, page number 85. Second, an auto rickshaw runs on gas. The answer is true. Third, a large truck has more than 4 wheels. The answer is true. Fourth, a boat runs on petrol. The answer is false. Fifth, the number 100 is dialed if we want to call the police for any help. The answer is true. 6. To travel over the sea, we use steamer. The answer is true. 7. Trains are used to travel through the air. The answer is false. Question 4. Match the columns appropriately. First, traveling on a road of iron. The answer is F, train. Second, for fetching and carrying letters. The answer is D, postal van. Third, for traveling in the desert. The answer is E, camel. Fourth, for traveling on mountainous road. The answer is horse, C. For disabled people, the answer is A, tricycle. Question 5. How would you choose to go from your house to the places written below? Write in the box. Your house, in left side, auto rickshaw, market. Right side, school bus, school. Left side, bicycle, friend's house. Right side, jeep, relatives who lives in a hilly areas. Left side, bus, at grandmother's nanny's house. Middle side, steamer across the sea, and right side, boat across a river. Next, page number 86. 6. Write in front of each picture what the vehicles is used for. In the space provided, draw the pictures of some other vehicles. Write their names and what they are used for. First, vehicles and use for. First है vehicle है hand cart for selling things like vegetable, fruits, etc. Second, postal van. Second, postal van for fetching and carrying letters, parcel, etc. Third, tricycle. TRICYCLE. Tricycle for disabled people to go from one place to another. Fourth, tractor. Tractor for farming and riding to go from one place to another. Next, fifth, double decker. Fifth, double decker bus to go to different place in the same city. 6, ambulance. 6 है ambulance to take sick people to hospital. Next, cycle for children to go to school nearby place and for riding. Next, aeroplane to travel long distance in a country in short time and to go from one country to another. Next, page number 87. Name of some vehicles are given on one side. In the column, write the number of wheels each vehicle has and write its uses in other column. First, name, serial number, name of vehicles, number of wheels, uses. First, bus, more than 4, for traveling, for long distance traveling, for transporting a marriage party. Second, bullock cart, 2 wheels for traveling, fetching and carrying grains and farming tools. Third, auto rickshaw, 3 for traveling, for going to school. Fourth, train, metro, rail, many for long distance traveling. Fifth, aeroplane, more than 4 for speedy traveling, for going from one country to another. Bicycle, 2 for short distance traveling. Next, page number. From the sound given below, can you tell which vehicle is it? One example is given. Chuk chuk, train. First, pom pom, car. Second, ghar ghar, aeroplane. Third, pip pip, scooter. Fourth, thup tup tup, horse cart. Fifth, tring tring, bicycle. Question 9. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. In first question, have you ever traveled in a train? When? The answer is yes. Whenever we go to my uncle's place, we travel in a train. Second, can a train move anywhere? Why? No, a train can move only one way. Trucks, it can go only where rail, truck are laid. Third, what is meant by rod of iron? The answer is rods of iron means the rail track on which a train moves. Fourth, name the vehicles that you can see in your village or a city? The answer is I have seen bicycle, scooter, motorcycle, car, bus, truck, auto rickshaw, train, aeroplane, etc. in my city. Fifth, name two vehicles used to travel over water. The answer is boat and steamer are two vehicles used to travel over water. 6. Name two vehicles used for air travel. The answer is airplane and helicopter are two vehicles used for air travel. 7. Where is a steam engine used? The answer is a steam engine is used in railway. Page number 89. Question 8. With what is travel over a river or a sea possible? The answer is travel over a river or a sea is possible with a raft, a boat, a steamer and a liner. Raft, R-A-F-T, raft, a boat, a steamer and liner. Question 9. How many types of transport are there in a Gujarat? Which? The answer is there are 4 types of transport in Gujarat. First, roadway, airway, railway, waterway. 10. Why are roads very important in India? The answer is since India is a country at village and road are very important in India. 11. How are railways important? Railways are important for swift, cheap and easy travel from one place to another. Question 12. In which cities of Gujarat are there airport? The answer is there are airport in Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Rajkot, Bhavnagar, Porbandar, Jamnagar, Keshod, Bhuj and Kandala, etc. Next question. Question number 10. Answer the following question briefly. In first question, which places did the train pass by? Make a list. The answer is potato fields, a sandy desert, millet field, green meadows, a temple, houses, a tea shop, a hill, a bridge, a path, a puddles of water, huts, bushes, farm, well, gardens and parks, a Dhobi Ghat, Bazaar, village, fairs, etc. Question 2. Which vehicles have you travelled in? The answer is I have travelled in a bus, a car, on a scooter, in a pedal rickshaw, a train, a tractor, a horse cart, a camel cart, etc. Next question. Which vehicles are mentioned in the poem? The answer is only train is mentioned in the poem. Next, page number 90. Question 4. Which kind of vehicles are used nowadays? The answer is a new revolution is seen in the vehicular world due to mechanical invention in the modern world. Nowadays, bicycle, rickshaw, car, bus, train, metro train, aeroplane, steamer, etc. vehicles are seen. Question 5. How did people used to travel when there were no vehicles? The answer is when there were no vehicles, people used to walk from one place to another. In those days, people used to travel in groups. Thus, they started using animals, that is horses, elephant, donkey, camel, etc. Gradually, wooden carts were attached to those animals, bullock carts, horse cart, etc. Thus, when there were no vehicles, people either walk or used animal to travel. Question 6. Where have you heard the maximum noise? The answer is I have heard the maximum noise on the cross road that are in the middle of the city. Since there is a lot of traffic, there many vehicles come together and a lot of honking of horns is heard. Question 7. Do you like so much noise? Why? No, I don't like so much noise. Too much noise has an adverse effect on our health. The ability of the ears to hear well decreases. We become irritable and our sleep is also affected. Question 8. At which place is the facility of ropeway provided? Which places of Gujarat have ropeway? The answer is ropeway are provided in very high mountainous ranges where it is not possible to construct roadway and where the path for walking is very long and tedious in Gujarat, ropeway have been provided at Ambaji, Pavagadh, Saputara, etc. Page number 91. Question 9. How is an ambulance useful to us? The answer is, if there is any kind of medical emergency, then we can dial 108, the number for calling an ambulance, which arrives in minutes at the place where there is an accident or where it is needed. There is a doctor and a nurse in the ambulance. They give first and, if necessary, admit her and him. Question 10. Say what works the following services people do. First point, police. They look after the law and order and protect people's life and property. Second, fire brigade. If there is a fire at any place, they reach the place as soon as possible and extinguish the fire. They rescue people trapped in the fire. Question 11. Look at the picture and answer the questions that follow. Page number 92. What all can you see in the picture? The answer is, we can see that a multi-story building has caught fire. Huge flame and clouds of black smoke are seen. A fire engine, police van and ambulance can be seen in front of the building. 5 fighters are trying to extinguish the fire. Question 2. Which vehicles can you see in the picture? The answer is, I can see the fire engine, an ambulance and a police van. Question 3. What are these vehicles used for? Answer is, a fire engine is useful when a fire breaks out anywhere to bring the fire under control and extinguish it. An ambulance is used for taking injured and sick people to the hospital as quickly as possible, and a police van is used to protect and ensure that people remain secure. Activity. Textual activity. First, with the help of the picture, make a toy train using empty matchbox. तो ये आप एक्टिविटी आप कर सकते हो. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, look at these boxes in the pictures. On the top, draw them in the correct sequence in the bottom box and color what did you get. Write the name. तो ये एलिफेंट का है, तो आपको ये जोड़ना है. तो अरेंज द पीसेस ऑफ द पजल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द करेक्ट सीरियल नंबर्स. रिकॉग्नाइज द एनिमल एंड राइट इट्स नेम. तो इस तरह से आएगा एलिफेंट और इसका नाम एलिफेंट है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है थर्ड एक्टिविटी, ड्रॉ द पिक्चर ऑफ एनी व्हीकल्स दैट यू लाइक. राइट इट्स नेम अंडरनीथ. तो ये मोटरसाइकिल है, मोटरसाइकिल का पिक्चर ड्रॉ किया है. हॉट क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस बाय फाइंडिंग द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो each questions and writing its corresponding letters in the given in front of each questions. Question 1. Which of the following is not a means of transportation? First, the answer is C. Telephone. Second, which vehicle is used for the protection and security of people? The answer is B. Police van. Third, which service is prevalent in Gujarat for taking a patient to hospital? The answer is C. 108. Which of the following vehicles does not run on gas? The answer is A. Motorcycle. Next, fifth, which of the following vehicles does not have wheels? The answer is D. A boat. ठीक है. तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर 11 यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ मिलते, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.